Okay guys, sorry. Wherever the technology and the modern devices fail, there is always hand one. So I have the old hand one. Of course I have one more battery operated, but this is only one. Like LED is not enough. That's it. Okay, so I'm going to pre-drill here with this one. And here we go. I don't know how it's going to look. Yeah, it's a drill. Not that fast spin like my battery one. Okay, that's enough. Now, pre-drill a little bit larger hole for countersink. This, like this. Now, square bit. Square bit number 8. Again, put it in here. I use the flathead screws number 6, 1.25 inch. Okay, next. All right. Same thing on the other end, but like I said, because of the tension, it needs to be tight to my market line. It's coming there, even a little bit more. I had to really stick here like a shim. Yeah, I'm using a little shim to get it closer to my. I think. Yeah. Right there. Okay, it's right there. I'm gonna nail it.
What about glue?
Yeah, glue was there, but dried out. Okay, but anyway, I can put it right a little bit more. Okay, fresh glue. One. Next one. That's it. Okay. Drill. Right. Take the frame off. Shim. Now, before we go to the next one, I'm going to fill the holes after nails and after screw with a wood filler. Take the masking tape off. And go to rinse. Okay. Here, here, a little bit over the nails. Now let's find any other deficiencies, spots to patch it or fill it, like here, and the line here. Now the joints, like here. The other side I noticed was a little bit bigger gap of the angle. Good, a little bit more. Okay, clean off the glue. Okay, now let's flatten this. Where's my phone? That's okay. This is of course not the proper tool for this, but everything is going to be sanded off again, right? This putty filler wood pad is something like a little bit liquid. Okay, clean this off. Alright, now let's set it for a few while. Clean up here a little bit my stuff, and let's dry a little bit of the wood filler putty and sand it off. Okay, before staining, I'm going to mark and drill 2 symmetrical holes for screws anchors on a wall where the shelves will be hanged. Here's my drill press machine. I smoothed out the filler, the wood putty filler nicely, and check around again all little deficiencies, splinters, anything like that. Now this is going to be hanging on the wall, like I said, 2 anchors. 2 anchors going to the wall, drywall, and screws into the anchors, and the shelf will be set on those 2 holes, onto those 2 screws evenly and hanging on the wall like this. Okay, now the last and final step is before shipping. The screws, by the way, screws and anchors are supplied all together with the shipping. Yeah, before shipping and packaging, I'm going to stain it. The color the customer picked it, which I'm going to check it now. What was the color? Okay. I think it was mahogany. I don't know. There we go. The color is golden oak. Double check. Yeah, golden oak. Okay, my stains are here. Golden oak. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it well. Okay, fun, enough fun. Oh. Thank you. Oh, you know, this is my passion, this is my hobby, and this is my hobby and passion. I would spend all night here in this garage, but unfortunately I have to go to work tomorrow morning, so I have to go to bed early. Like, eventually, to have some sleep. So it gives me a little bit more energy. But this job, this kind of hobby, gives me good energy, positive, even I'm tired, but you know, it's like refreshing. Oh, it's pretty big. So I'm going to, yeah. All right. Sorry. Here. Now, before I continue, I'm going to temporarily put 2 screws in the holes. I just drill on machine on a press drill, because these holes here will help me do not lay the shelves on a flat surface and make marks like this. So after stain, and I put it like this, so it's off, a little bit off the table, so it doesn't touch. Even if it's the back side, doesn't matter. Okay, now let's proceed to staining. Staining is important part. It is a finishing, and it's very important because can ruin whole job. It can really ruin everything. And then I like to have, oh okay, fortunately I have already one rag damp it in, which is good. All right, the way I am staining is always first stain the joints, like the corners, call it joints, like here, inner corner, another corner, just take it together. The other side, corner, 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 that's it, and go through. Then inside and edges. Inside here, evenly, slowly, but steadily. Don't wait too long on one spot. So because of the rag was soaked very well, so I don't need to dip it in stain again. So inside was pretty good. Now outside, same way. Okay, same way here. Outside round. Now let's do the outside bottom part, outside bottom part, and edges. First the back edge, okay, back edge, go and check again wherever left unstained. Now front edge, and now the bottom part. Even I'm still touching already stained parts of the shelf or the wood, whatever, it doesn't really matter, because after a little while checking around for white unstained marks or spots, I would say, and after a little while I'm going to wipe it out nicely and smoothly. So dump it again, my here, close the lid. Okay, bring it back to the, sorry, cabinet. Oh my goodness, so much stuff here. I don't know where to put it, but okay, fits in, that's it. Okay, now let's see. You know, because it's cold outside and it's cold, it's a little bit cold inside, it's take a little while, but as you can see, the stain evaporate, a little bit soaked in a little bit. So after a little while, another, give it to 2 minutes, and then I will lightly, maybe more than 2 minutes. I don't want to wipe it off everything like all stain. Okay folks, alright, I think the stain process went pretty well, and this is a presentation of my semicircle oak shelf, semicircle steam banded part of the shelf, and it's like, looks like this. Okay, thank you.